Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 25 stocks including Tech Mahindra, Hindustan Unilever, ACC, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Tech Mahindra Limited. Share is trading around rupees 1462. Tech Mahindra announced a dividend of rupees 30 per share. Ex date and record date is fixed as 4th July 2025. Shalibhadra Finance Limited. Share is trading around rupees 567. Shalibhadra Finance announced bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Shalibhadra Finance, you will get 300 shares as free. That means as bonus. So total you will have 400 shares. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Shalibhadra Finance. Hindustan Unilever Limited. HUL share is trading around rupees 2332. Hindustan Unilever announced a dividend of rupees 24 per share. 23rd June is fixed as the ex date and record date. Supreme Industries Limited, Supreme Int, current market price rupees 3478. Supreme Industries announced a dividend of rupees 24 per share. 20th June is fixed as the ex date and record date. Associated Cement Company Limited, ACC, share is trading around rupees 1938. ACC also announced a dividend of rupees 7.5 per share. Ex date and record date is fixed as 13th June 2025. Elecon Engineering Company Limited, Elecon, share is trading around rupees 518. Company announced a dividend rupees 1.5 per share. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Elecon Engineering Company. Nestle India Limited, Nestle Int, share is trading around rupees 2440. Nestle India announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. 4th July is fixed as the ex date and record date. Cyient Limited, Cyient, current market price rupees 1171. Cyient Limited announced a dividend of rupees 14 per share. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Cyient Limited. L&T Technology Services Limited, LTTS, share is trading around rupees 4256. Company announced a dividend of rupees 38 per share. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by LTTS. Bennari Amman Spinning Mills, BASML, share is trading around rupees 35. Company announced a rights issue at the rate rupees 27 per share. Last date to buy share is 29 April 2025. Record date is fixed as 30th April 2025. Issue ratio 10:43. That means if you have 43 shares of Bennari Amman Spinning Mills, you are eligible to apply for 10 shares at the rate rupees 27 per share. Offer period May 13 to 26. That means you can apply for rights issue from May 13 to 26 May 2025. Shilchar Technologies Limited, share is trading around rupees 6677. Company announced a dividend of rupees 12.5 and announced bonus in the ratio 2:1. Bonus 2:1 means if you have 100 shares of Shilchar Technologies, you will get a 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Shilchar Technologies. Tata Elxsi Limited, share is trading around rupees 5612. Company announced a dividend of rupees 75 per share. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Tata Elxsi. HDFC Life Insurance Limited, HDFC Life, share is trading around rupees 705. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2.1 per share. 20th June is fixed as the ex date and record date. Tata Consultancy Services Limited, TCS, share is trading around rupees 3448. TCS announced a dividend of rupees 30 per share. Record date for the dividend yet to be announced by Tata Consultancy Services. Collab Platforms Limited, share is trading around rupees 130. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of Collab platforms, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Collab platforms. Indian Oil Corporation Limited (IOC), current market price rupees 135. Company announced a board meeting on 30th April 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. CET Limited, current market price rupees 3034. Company announced a board meeting on 29th April 2025 to declare dividend and to announce Q4. Ultratech Cement Limited, current market price rupees 12,237. Ultratech Cement announced a board meeting on 28th April 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Indian Energy Exchange Limited (IEX), share is trading around rupees 190. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 16th May 2025. Gujarat Indrax Limited, current market price rupees 462. Company announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. 2nd May is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Forbes Precision Tools and Machine Parts Limited, current market price rupees 184. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. 2nd May is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Laurus Labs Limited, Laurus Lab, share is trading around rupees 625. Company announced a dividend of 80 paise per share. 9th May is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Transformers and Rectifiers India Limited, TARIL, share is trading around rupees 510. Company announced a dividend of 20 paise per share. 9th May is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.